Hi everyone, want your thumbnails to match your brand, niche, or character style? With Pikzels AI personas, you can create a thumbnail that feel uniquely you. Let's get started. First, go to the pixels.com and log in. Then under the personas tab, choose a preset like a gamer, educator, beauty guru, or influencer and tech reviewer. Then next, type your video idea into the prompt box like this example here. Then generate it. The pixels will generate a layout, color, font, and style that match your chosen persona automatically. Then you can now tweak the text style and placement, emojis and expressive faces, color palette and vibe, and emojis overlays. Once you're satisfied, save it as a default persona style for consistent branding across all future thumbnails. And then the Pixels AI personas really help you to create a thumbnails that fits your voice and vibe. No design skills needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI tools for creators. Thanks for watching.